Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the connectionless transport layer protocol UDP, user datagram protocol and UDP checksum method. So the UDP is user datagram protocol. It is a transport layer protocol used for the data segment transmission. So in UDP, it take a message from the application process from the sending side, attach source and destination port number for multiplexing and the demultiplexing procedure. Then it passed to the network layer. The network layer encapsulates this transport layer segment into IP datagram and then make a best effort attempt to deliver this segment to the receiving host. Now, if the segment arrive at receiving host, the UDP use destination port number to deliver this segment's data to the correct application process. So, here we note that the UDP use no handshaking procedure between sending and receiving transport layer entity before sending a segment. So for this reason, UDP is said to be connectionless. The UDP is used in DNS, SNMP and RIP protocol. UDP is used in like streaming multimedia application like YouTube. In this application, it is like loss tolerant and less throughput, means rate sensitive applications. Here let's see in this figure, UDP is connectionless and at the receiving side not all data is present, means if any of data is lost then do not resend whole data or particular data because UDP cannot keep any of the state parameter like acknowledgement parameter or sequence parameter. Now let's understand the segment header information. So in segment header information, total 32-bit header size, source port number is first field, second field is destination port number. Here is the length in bytes, UDP segments including the header. There is a checksum method which we discuss later. Over here it is the actual our application data which will pass through the correct application process based on the destination port number. In the UDP protocol, there is no connection establishment compared to the TCP. In UDP, if we use connection request and reply means connection establishment, then the delay will be added. So in UDP, we can say simple communication, even UDP cannot keep any state about the sender and receiver like conjunction control parameter. In case of conjunction, acknowledgement parameter and sequence parameter, so UDP we can said to be connectionless. It has a small header size, means less overhead, 8 byte only. Let's calculate how it is 8 byte in UDP. See, 32-bit means 32 divided by 8 means 8 bytes. So particular this field source port and destination 4 byte for length, checksum another 4 byte. So total 4 plus 4 means 8 bytes and these are the data. So UDP segment header information contain 8 bytes, rather TCP segment contain 20 byte, which we will discuss later. If the conjunction is occurred in UDP segment, then it creates a blast, means the package loss occurred. Now let's see discuss what is checksum method. The checksum method is to check a segment in which there is error or not. It is used to detect error in transmitted segment. It's only detect an error, not correcting error. So in sending side, the segment means a sequence of the 16-bit integer number, binary numbers including the header fields. So sum of all the word 1000 16-bit integer do one's complement of that word of the segment content means addition of segment content and then this checksum value put in the UDP checksum field. Now in the receiving side, the receiver compute the checksum of received segment means in the receiving side again one's complement sum, again we do one's complement sum, then if in that computer checksum value is not equivalent, then it create a error, but it is equal to the checksum field value, then no error in that segment. Let us understand this checksum method procedure in example. In this example, we have two 16-bit integer words. At sender side, the first word and second word. Now after sum of these two words, any of bit overflow. So we can wrap around that bit with this word. So resultant output is here. Now we will do the checksum procedure, means one's complement over here 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, like this. This value we can put into checksum field. Now at receiving side, when the segment arrived at receiving host over here, these two words sum, this overflow bit added the answer result. Now checksum field value received at receiving host will sum with this word and calculate the sum. If any of the bit is 0, then we can say that error introduced in this particular packet segment. If no 0 in this output, then we can say no error in this packet. Important notes is that do not forget to adding a number. If it is carried out from most significant bit, needs to be added to the result in the UDP checksum method. We can detect an error in packet segment at receiving host. At receiving, if error occurred, then it passed to the upper layer. No facilities or mechanism to correct that error. In data link layer, also checksum methods are available. So UDP must provide error detection at transport layer on end-to-end host. That's all. Thank you so much.